Jeff with Tri-State Bobcat. You know, a tiller is a great option for those of us doing food plots, just doing some prairie restoration, or if we're actually going to do some yard work or gardening. Bobcat offers a full hydraulic tiller in 40, 62, and 76-inch widths. This is a 62 with 36 hardened steel tines on it, weighing in at 773 pounds. You can till to a 6-inch depth. There are optional shoes that go on this. It is a direct drive. The shoes mount up just to limit the height or the depth, of course, of the cut. The direct drive motor, just nice, zero maintenance. No chains, no sprockets to drive this unit. And then you can just take a look at the offset on it. You'll see on this side, the wheel motor tracks within almost the frame width of the tires. And then it's offset so you can till right along the sidewalk and not come in contact with it. So very well thought out. The offset allows you to till up close. Two hose hookup. Got some cleanup to do on this unit. It just went out. But those tines are replaceable. They're hardened. Just a real good kit, real good attachment, and we rent them and sell them, so you can go either way with that. You know, on some of these attachments, we only use them once or twice a year. Let's rent it from Tri-State. In the meantime, if it's something you use more than a few times a year, it's best to purchase. Give us a call at Tri-State Bobcat on these tillers. Handy unit, you see excellent visibility, and of course we can till all the way out to the right side there. Tri-State Bobcat, Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, and Hudson, Wisconsin. Full service and sales. Units in stock, ready to go. Give us a call, Tri-State Bobcat.